Listen, I love the idea of people coming to your About Me page and getting to know, like, and trust you because, that's what video is for. Today, I want to talk to you about the About Me video. Hey, welcome back. It's Tracy with videoscriptsuccess.com, where I help you take your scattered but brilliant ideas and turn them into marketing videos that convert. Listen, I want you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get all of my tools, tips, and tricks for making great online video. Today, I want to talk to you about the About Me video. However, I feel like the About Me page is a nice to have video, whereas your homepage, or what I call the magnet video, is a must have video. Most people will not be entering your site through your About Me video. They're going to be coming in through your homepage video. So I would rather have you put your efforts towards that video. But if you absolutely have your heart set on an About Me video, I applaud you. Good, let's get started and talk about that. But there is one thing you need to know. This is a write downable, and that is your About Me video, and your About Me page for that matter, is not about you. I'm going to say that again. Your About Me video is not about you. I know you're thinking, what did she just say? Did she just say that the About Me video is not really about me? And I did. I realize it's called the About Me page and the About Me video, but I wish it were more accurately described as the You Need to Work With Me Because page, but that's a mouthful, so we can't call it that. So let's dive into what your About Me page is actually about. Okay, so your About Me video is really about helping your audience, right? So you want people to land there and feel like they belong. You want them to feel like you get them, that they have finally found the solution that they've been searching for. You want your audience to know that you can relate to whatever it is they're searching for, and that you are the most confident, competent, and above all, the right person for the job. So here's what your About Me video is not. It is not a spoken resume or a biography. And this is what I see so many people get wrong. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't share some of your geekiness or quirkiness. I'm not saying that. But if you think about your homepage video as the, yay, you found the right place, your About Me video is the, yay, and I'm the right person to help you. Now, I always want you to be thinking, how does my About Me story fit with my offer, right? So in my case, I would tell the story about how I have been in production for a really long time, and I kept seeing people struggle with videos, and I realized, oh my gosh, I can help. I have all of this background, and I can help them in a non-threatening, non-techie way. Listen, your story shouldn't start back in 19-diggity-2. It should start with the problem, and then you work your way up to the solution, which is, of course, working with you, buying your product, buying your program. And please, when you do get to the end, don't leave your audience hanging, right? Give them somewhere to go. Give them something to do. Here we go again, talking about the CTA, or call to action. Do not miss this opportunity to keep your audience engaged. Send them to a helpful blog. Send them to a YouTube video. Give them a download, a freebie, but don't leave them hanging. And now you might be thinking, well, how long is my About Me video supposed to be? And I would say anywhere from 60 seconds to 3 minutes. Be kind, keep them engaged, but do not drone on and on and on. I'm sorry, friends, you're not that interesting. Now, if you're unsure of what your audience wants, when we're done here, and we are almost done, I want you to pop on over and check out my video on the customer journey, because that will help you craft your About Me video in a way that will make your audience know, love, and trust you. And as always, if you've found this video helpful, and I hope you have, I want you to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and I will see you right here next week.